Okay, what's up, guys? My name is You Don't Wanna Know. So, I'm here to talk about how to make viral content create videos like MrBeast, KSI, IshowSpeed, blah blah, Sancho. So, I want to ask you something, right? When the meaning of content creator is that you're doing your own thing. I mean, no, you can. Yeah, we'll go back to that. Wait, we're just gonna check. We're going to check. We're going to check. We're going to check. Let me just go and check a little bit. No, there's nothing. There's nothing. So I just wanted to say, right, the point of being a content creator, right, it's about doing your own thing. You know what I'm saying? Like me, how I started it, I started like a bad way because I got suspended. Like now I got suspended, I got removed. I think 10, no, four YouTube accounts. Bit heartbreak, but I got a new one. But if they find me, if they check me again, this previous account, it will get banned again. But on the safe side, I'm not doing anything illegal, right? So I just want to say, right, the whole point about becoming a content creator is, right, is doing your own thing. You know what I'm saying? Like quick fact, if you're good at something, right, it's all about creativity. And I always see like on YouTube, like on shorts, they're just doing the same thing. I mean, yeah, you can use the sound, but what's the use of it? I mean, you can get subscribers begging, this thing use my sound. You're just using the same audio, and just copywriting everybody. And it doesn't get boring. I mean, I'm just sick of watching. Like, I just want to say, if shorts, not like people doing the same thing. Be content, be creative. Don't use the same. It's copyright, not copyright, but just copying the same things. The whole point I'm saying, right? If you want to become a content creator, like man, look out for MrBeast. His videos are all legit. Why I'm saying like that, he never did a copy. He never like he just been himself. IshowSpeed, he's himself. KSI, forget style gaming, but I'm just saying do your own thing. You know, don't if you're just uploading viral clips or blah this, blah that, blah that. I mean, the whole point, right? You wanna get noticed like that. MrBeast, IshowSpeed, KSI. You want to be noticed. If you want to be noticed, then do your own thing. People subscribe because they like your video, because they say, oh, if I watch a video where it's funny, then I subscribe to it, because that's what it's all about, creating audience. Don't put things subscribe, blah blah this. Please subscribe because I need subscribers, feel like that. You can get subscribers, but I mean, okay, YouTube short, right? You can get maybe even 50,000 subscribers, but when you upload a video, nobody's gonna watch it. Why? Because they don't think they 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 don't know like what's the whole point of this. If I'm gonna watch this, what's the point of the video? They don't know. So that's the point. Always try to be original. Don't copy. Be creative. I mean, be creative with things. You know what I'm saying? And for me, well, I mean, well, this is Africa, not Africa, but Namibia. So yes, we don't get monetized. I mean, I don't even get paid for this shit. I mean, while I'm doing this, you know what? I looked at to people like me, KSI, MrBeast, and I was wanting to be a YouTuber. So even if you don't get paid, you don't get monetized, because our country is not supported. If you just go into residence of country, no Namibia is not there. So yeah, I'm doing it because I want to, not because I want to get paid or anything. But if ever happen that Namibia will get paid, that would be the biggest thing. So what I'm saying, like, just be creative, but be original. No copying. Do your own thing, and just every video when you upload. Let me just like, okay, if this video doesn't get views, right? Let me say maybe we get 5 views. You said, oh, maybe okay, 5 views. Let me check. Let me make it more better. See, get always try to upgrade, not upgrade, but make your videos better. That's the whole point. And if you do that, I swear to God, nothing is gonna stop you, bro. So yeah, reaching up big content, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Watch out for the next video. It's gonna be a banger. Rah.